In Michigan, we have 4 degrees of criminal sexual conduct. We have first degree, second degree, third degree, and fourth degree. The first degree is the most serious. That is a life offense, meaning you can be put in prison for at least for up to life. There is then a portion of that where if the child is under 13 and there's a penetrative act, that the offender could be in prison for a minimum of 25 years. There's then second degree criminal sexual conduct, which is a contact offense. That is a touching of a minor. There's third degree, which is again, a penetrative act, sexual intercourse or a fellatio, a blowjob. That is punishable by up to 15 years in prison, as is the second degree. And that focuses more on, like we talked about, sexual encounters between adults and children more than anything else. Then we have fourth degree, which is a 2-year, what we call a high court misdemeanor, treated the same as a felony, but for some reason they call it a high court misdemeanor. That is a contact offense. The best example of that is if two adults were out at a restaurant or at a bar and somebody touched a woman's breast or touched a woman's butt, that would be a criminal sexual conduct in the fourth degree. And each one of them carries different levels of time on the registry for sex offender registry, all the way from non-public registration all the way up to life with a GPS tether. So they vary depending on the offense.